Welcome to the LambdaX Analytics Dashboard, your go-to tool for gaining real-time insights throughout the contract lifecycle. In this quick overview, I'll walk you through the dashboards, its key benefits, and how it enhances contract management. Once you click on the dashboard, you'll see all the dashboards you have access to, including the default dashboards, which are clauses, opportunities, and contracts. You can also view all widgets available for data visualization. There are pre-configured widgets that are available in your widget view for the most important contract lifecycle metrics, but you can create more custom widgets based on your unique business requirements. You can choose to view dashboards in either a list view or with preview images. Plus, you have the option to create a new dashboard or widget, or import one using a JSON file upload, giving you full control over your analytics. The LambdaX Analytics Dashboard brings key contract lifecycle metrics right to your home screen, giving you a clear, real-time overview of your contract performance. With LambdaX Analytics Dashboard, you have the ability for direct data integration, which means you can pull data from the source using widget configuration options, allowing you to select a data source, such as a flow tied to other systems. You also have the ability to receive instant insights, which means you can monitor approval stages, compliance, renewals, and more, all from one place. On top of that, you get the ability to have custom visualization, which means you can easily configure dashboards to highlight the most relevant metrics for your team. That's a quick look at the LambdaX Analytics Dashboard. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other training videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing with LambdaX.